So what's the first number we're going to put up?
1. No, 100.
100.
80.
80.
4.
4.
1.
1. What's 4 plus 1 now?
5.
What's 8 plus 0 now?
8.
What's 1 plus 0 now?
1. That's what I get.
So, the first answer to that problem should be a number line showing 185 miles. Is that not what you got? Maybe you better use a number line.
I did.
Okay? So, Chris, on that problem, I want you to put this number line down to help you solve it, okay? Because that's what we're doing. We're going to solve that first problem. We are solving that first problem. Yeah, right. That goes in your book, not in your paper. It's the workbook problem. Yes, Joe.
I'm copying them.
Really?
Yes.
No, because here's 1, here's 80, there's your 400, here's 100, here's 4. 185. Better check your adding if you're using a number line. You got to make sure that the jumps are the right number. Chris. Okay. What's the next? Okay, we kind of used the second strategy. We kind of just went into that by default. Because we used a multiple of 100 in the center of the number line to help with the jumps. Isn't it easier to jump in multiples of hundreds and tens than, odd numbers? I think so. What was that? 320 to 400? 400 to 500? That's 100. Everybody knows 100 jump. Okay? Everybody should have the first problem solved showing a number line in their solution. Omri, come on. We worked that together on the board. All you have to do is copy that down. We worked it out. I know you know the stacking strategy, and that's good. But you know what? When you're doing travel distances,
You do number line. Sorry.
do the stacking. You're 100 off, Justin. Do the stacking.
Yeah.
What is 5? What is 4 take away 3? Because on this one you have to borrow. You have to jump the cents and borrow. Justin says I'm 100 off. Let's do this in stacking.
Oh no. Oh, you're 100 off.
Okay, Justin. Can I take 9 away from 4? Can I take 9 away from 4? What do I have to do?
You can't go next door and top, so you have to go next to the
Okay, so I chop the 5. What do I make it?
4.
Ah. What do I do with the one I chop?
0 to a 9 and 4 to
Make this into a 9 and make this a 10? Okay.
And then make,
Can I take 9 away from 14?
yeah.
What is it? 14 take away 9.
5.
What is 9 take away 1? In the middle. 8. Justin, what is 4 take away 3? 1. You're getting confused because you forgot to change the 5 to a 4.
Yeah, that's how
You've got to remember to change the borrowed, the neighbor you borrowed from.
That's how I got to.
That's right. You need to make sure that number is right when you're borrowing from your neighbor, or the answer is not going to be right.
Solve them by a number line.
So, a number line, Justin. Number line showed us exactly what the answer was, wasn't it? We didn't have to get confused by our stacking subtraction, did we?
Yes.
Uh-huh. Alright. The strategy that we used was to put the 4 and the 500 multiples on the number line. That helps us with our jumps. Okay? So, let's try what if we wanted to find the distance between these 2 points on the Oregon Trail. Let me see if this one's here. Ah,
No.
Scotts Bluff and South Pass.
That's the wrong one. Oh,
Scotts Bluff to South Pass.
we're in the bottom.
Ah, yeah, that's wrong. That one's, what is that one? Scotts Bluff to Fort Laramie.
I have number line.
Scotts Bluff to Fort Laramie. So how would we do number 2?
Number line.
Chris.
Huh? 500.
Where does 596 go?
Wait. Right there on the bottom. It is on here. It's wrong.
Scotts Bluff. How far is it from Ash Hollow to Scotts Bluff? We're not doing the second problem. We're doing my sample problem.
Well, Larry did, and it was a waste of time.
It's a waste of time.
This one? Number 42.
Is it number 3?
42.
Yeah, can you turn that for me? Scotts Bluff to Fort Laramie is problem number 3. So, let's use a number line. What's the number that needs to go on the left side of the number line? Chris, 1.
596.
596.
Next time we go.
Let's put Scotts Bluff. Yes. I know you know what it equals.
Because I stacked it.
What is the number on the right side of the line? Cherie.
650.
Very good. 650.
Booyah.
We're going to put Fort Laramie.
650.
Okay. Can we put a number on this number line that would help us to make it easier, help us solve it easier? Isabel.
Yeah. So first we would go up 4 so that way it can be 600. And then go up 50. Easiest way, then you add them together.
So 600 to 650 is?
And then
How
it's
many?
50.
So, how many miles do we travel from Scotts Bluff to Fort Laramie? Raise your hands. Lisa, how many miles did we travel from Scotts Bluff to Fort Laramie? Okay. Okay, how did you do it, Jalen? You stacked it. Minus how many? 596. Okay, everybody pay attention up here. Can we take 6 away from 0? What do we have to do? Okay. Can we take 6 away from 10?